Hello friends, good morning. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the fixed base index number and chain base index number. Today, we are going to see how to convert chain base index number into fixed base index number and how to convert fixed base index number into chain base index number. Okay, it means if in the question they ask you for the conversion of a chain base index number, so fixed base index number will be given in a question, and suppose they ask you to conversion in a fixed base index number, so chain base index number will be given to you. Okay girls, first we will see the formula how to convert chain base index number into fixed base index number and how to convert fixed base index number into chain base index number. In the textbook, come on the page number 18. On the page number 18, formula is given. So first we try to learn formula. See here, if fixed base index number is given, that you have to convert into the chain base index number. Okay, so chain base index number is equal to fixed base index number of current year, fixed base upon fixed base index number of preceding year into 100. Okay, so whenever you have to convert into the chain base index number, both the amount, numerator and denominator, will be given in a question. Just we have to put up a value in a formula. Now we are trying to solve this type of a question. So come in the exercise 1.2. In the exercise 1.2, question number 2 and question number 3 is conversion of a chain base index number. Okay, so very first we will study question number 2 and question number 3. Let me start the question number 2. Obtain the chain base index number from the fixed base index number given below. It means this fixed base index number is given in a question. Okay. For the 2007-2008 as the base year for the wholesale price of the machines and equipment. Here you can see year and fixed base index number is given. So we have to prepare a first table. The table is regarding the conversion of a chain base index number. See here, question number 2. You can see in a question from year 2008-9 to 2014-15 is given. Okay, and index number is given. Here fixed base index number is given. So we have to convert this index number into the chain base index number. See here, first of all we will prepare one additional column, chain base index number. We have already studied about the formula. Chain base index number is equal to fixed base index number of current year upon fixed base index number of preceding year into 100. So see here, fixed base index number of current year is given 117.4 of and upon in preceding year. Preceding year is not given, so we will take a 100 into 100. So we will get the answer 117.4. For the next year 2009-10, index number is given 118. So first fixed base index number of current year, that is given 118 upon preceding year. So 117.4 into 100, we will get 100.51. For the next 2010-11, given fixed base is given 121.3. So we will put this value in a formula, 121.3 upon preceding year. It means 118 into 100. So we get the answer 102.80. Same for the next year, 125.1 upon preceding year. It means 121.3 into 100. So 103.13. Then same 128.4 upon 125.1 into 100. For the next, 131.6 upon 128.4 into 100. Okay, and for the last, 134.6 upon 131.6 into 100. So we will get 102.28. Okay, this is a very easy sum. Just we have to remember the formula. Question number 3 is same conversion of fixed base index number into the chain base index number. Let's see the question. Here the question is, the fixed base index number of a food from the month of January to October in the year 2015 for the industrial worker of Ahmedabad are as given below. Compute the chain base index number. It means the same as a question number 2. First of all, we have to make a table. There are 3 columns in a table. First is given month, second is index number, and third is a conversion of a chain base index number. Let's see the answer. See, conversion of fixed base index number to chain base index number. Compulsory you have to give this heading, this title. Okay, this given in a question. Index number is also given. Now chain base index number is equal to fixed base index number of CY, it means a current year, upon previous year into 100, right? So 271, fixed base index number of previous year is not given, so 271 into 100, 100. Then 270 upon 271 into 100, so 99.63. 268 upon 270 into 100, so 99.26. 268 upon 268 into 100, so 100. 278 upon 268 into 100, then 283 upon 278 into 100, right? 283 upon 283 into 100, same answer 100. 293 upon 283 into 100, okay? Then 293 upon 293 into 100, 299 upon 293 into 100, so 102.05. The sum is so easy. Just put up a formula, then enter the value and get your answer. Okay guys, now we are going to see how to convert chain base index number into the fixed base index number. See girls, before going on that method, I forget one thing to explain you. In the question number 2, see, in the question they already told us below with the year 2007-8 as the base year. Here the data is given from the year 2008-9, okay, but we have to take the year 2007-8 as a base year. So we know that what is the index number of the base year? 100. Okay, so in this sum we had written 117.4 upon base year, it means into 100 upon 100 into 100. So we get the answer 117.4. Okay, see, but in the question number 3, again see the question number 3, there is no any base year is given. Okay, getting my point? Base year is not given, so we have to understand that the January is only our base year and previous base month and previous month. So in this answer we will not take 100 in the denominator. We will take 271 upon 271 into 100. So we get the answer 100. Okay, again in the question number 2, the first year index number is a 117.4, because in this sum they told us base year is a 207.8. It means we had taken 100. But in this question number 3, there is no any clarification about the base year. So first month January we have to take as a base year. So 271 upon 271 into 100 is equal to 100. Okay, here conversion of a fixed base index number into the chain base index number is over. Now we are going to see how to convert chain based index number into fixed base index number. So for that we are going to see the formula. Fixed base index number of current year is equal to, again, fixed base index number of current year is equal to chain base index number of current year, right, into fixed base index number of the preceding year to current year upon 100. See, here we are going to convert these fixed base index, we are going to convert into fixed base index number. It means which will be given in a question, chain base index number will be given. So here this value we can easily get from the question. But see here, fixed base index number of the preceding year to current year. It means first we have to find the fixed base index number and then we put the value in formula. Okay. In the exercise, question number 1 and question number 4 is related to conversion in a fixed base index number. So let's first we read the question number 1. The chain base index number of agriculture production of a state from year 2008 to 2014 are as follow. Compute the fixed base index number. Take 2007 as a base year. Here year is given and index number for the fixed base index number is given. Okay. For the year 2008 to 2014 we have a detail. See how to convert. First, make a column 2008 to 2014. Put the heading conversion of chain base index number to fixed base index number. This fixed base index number, chain base index number is here already given. Now, what is the formula? Fixed base index number is equal to chain base index number of current year into fixed base index number of previous year or preceding year upon 100. So, we have to take a 2007 as a base year. So, here 100 is given. So, 100, chain base index number 100, fixed base index number is already given 100 upon 100 is equal to 100. Right girls? Now, for the year 2009, see, what is a chain base index number of a current year? 110 into fixed base index number of a previous year. We need a fixed base index number. This is our chain base index number. Okay girls? Understand? Chain base index number is given, but in the formula we need a fixed base index number of previous year. So 110 into previous year, it means a 2008 index number is 100 upon 100. We will get the 110. Right? Understand my point? It means if you will not get the index number for the 2008, you cannot go on the for the year 2009. Now for the year 2010, chain base index number of current year. This chain base index number is 95 into previous year fixed base index number. What is the previous year index number? 110 upon 100 is equal to 104.5. Okay. Then for the year 2011, chain base index number that already given for the current year 108 into 104.5 for the previous year upon 100. So 112.86. Now 120 into 112.86 upon 100, 135.43. Now 106 into 135.43 upon 100. So 143.56. Next and last is a 110 into 143.56 upon 100. So 157.91. Okay girls, understand? In the chain base index, for conversion of a fixed base index number, we need the index number of both method, chain base index number and fixed base index number. Chain base for the current year and fixed base for the previous year. Okay girls, if you will remember the formula once, you can easily complete the sum. And the weightage of this type of sum is a 3 marks. So please try it well. Now we are going to see the question number 4. What is the question number 4? The chain based index number for sale of a certain type of sector from the year 2010 to 2015 are as follows. Find fixed base index number. So for again we have to prepare a one table heading conversion of chain base index number into the fixed base index number. Make a column for the year index number and conversion. It means a fixed base index number is equal to chain base index number of current year into fixed base index number of preceding year upon 100. Okay, for the year 2010 chain base is given 110, previous year is not given, right? No, so we will take a 100 upon 100, so we get the 110, right girls? See, in the question number 1, they ask us to take a 2007 as a base year. So base year we put a 100, but here base year is not given. So what we have to write? We will write 100 upon 100 is equal to 110. Then next 2011. So 112 what already is given into 110 upon 100. So 123.2. Then 100 for the year 2012. 109 into 123.2 upon 100 is equal to 134.29. For the year 2013, 108 into 134.29 upon 100. So 145.303. For the year 2014, 105 into 145.03 upon 100. So 152.28. Next and last is a 2015. So 111 into 152.28 upon 100. So you will get your answer 163.03. In the exam, all figures should be correct for getting a full marks. Okay. Understand girls? Today we have completed the exercise 1.2. You have to complete this exercise in your notebook. From the next day, we will start the exercise 1.3. Okay girls, thank you.